Okay, guys, I'm finally over here to the model car shenanigans. This is actually a competition. It's a competition of coolness. So the whole deal here is they bring these big stacks of containers full of old models. So this is where they go to die or be rebuilt or re-Frankenstein. And that's what all these cats are doing. Cadettes are doing. They're building cool machines. Like this dude's he's a mad scientist over here. He's been a mad scientist for a very long time. What's up, my brother? Hi, buddy. Look at all these cool things. He's done this before. Oh, you be careful with that. You'll cut your whole finger off, and that won't be good. And then I'll have to go to the ambulance and all that. Yeah, those are like, be careful. Hey, have they give you your safety? Did you sign a safety waiver yet? No. And Mike and them hadn't even been over here watching y'all. Where are they at? Boy, are they in trouble. Okay. What? Oh, she has those? Well, that's pretty cool.
You can't open it, so why did you take it away?
What's that? Hey, man. I was just asking her if she had got her safety inspection. She says, no, my mom's got these and these. And I'm like, so Mike and them hadn't been over here and gave y'all a safety inspection? So, boy, are they in trouble. What you got going on here? Engine selection?
Trying to add a little blower on top.
Yeah, put like 5 motors in it and then you're good. Look at all these model bodies. Look in the stems. Where do stems go to die? I mean, all the parts are gone. They just get thrown away or what? What's up, brother? You think you got it? Oh, man, that looks legit. Man, that would work. Looky there. Needs more chrome. Uh-oh. Look at this. Wow. Don't chop off your finger, put your eyeball out.
I think I'm going to put the orange one in the competition.
Oh, there you go. All right, guys. Look at there. Very cool. Can I see your car?
Mine?
Yeah. Let me look at your car. Wow, I've never seen an engine like that. Wow. That's a cool idea.
Yeah. This guy's got to take off this little tape.
That's a GTO, a pink GTO.
With gold stripes.
That is cool. All right.
Where's the Calvin? Pass me this grip thing.
Yeah. That's termite juice.
Calvin. Third model.
All right. Here's a serious builder over here. Look, he's.
Oh, I'm not serious at all.
Look at him. He's seriously building.
Oh, Knox. Look, I need you real quick.
All right, guys. All right, everybody. It's over here making models. Y'all carry on. We shall check on y'all later. I'm going to go yell at the supervision over here. Hey.
Michael.
Hey, who's supervising all those kids with all those instruments over there?
I'm listening for scream.
Huh? I asked them if they had a safety inspection yet or they were certified.
Yes, I already had a finger check.
Well, no.
Everybody got fingers?
I've got it on tape. The little girl showed me. She took all the implements and was saying, my mom has these. And I'm like, Mike's not been over here. He is in big
Oh, I'm
trouble.
over there all the
I
time.
have the safety spiel on video.
You do?
Yes.
And they were all standing there. I do.
All right. Well, all right. We're covered then.
I
Disclaimer.
can send you the video.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So any fingers that do show up, you know, I like to put them in jars and put them in the...
Oh, yeah, a little formaldehyde.
Yeah, we'll auction them off later, too. All right. When do we think the conclusion of this will happen?
Probably just before dinner, maybe 7 o'clock.
Good deal.
I don't know.
And you have your judges all ready and
Yeah, we got a few
ready to go?
picked out. Yep.
Cool deal. All right, guys. Well, we will check back later. And the pile doesn't ever get any smaller, I don't think.
What's that?
Well, there's some work going on here.
So if you come around that corner, you go down and 2 seconds straight after the little left.
Hey, buddy, are you building a model, crazy model too? No comment? Okay. Hold that thought. Oh, look, this is kind of an alien kit. Right. Don't glue your finger on there. You'll have to cut it off. Oh, look, that's a
Ghostbuster.
yeah thing. Ghostbusters.
Trying to make a rat fake carbon have to flush wheel to stick. They're trying to get the tail to fit.
And here's the Destructo table over here. Yeah, there's nothing hazardous here. There you go.
JP!
Yeah.
Are they supposed to pick something?
Yes.
He can pick the price.
What am I supposed to do?
You want me to pick it?
There's Hot Wheels too, man. I know you're a Hot Wheel guy. And these aren't peg warmers either. There's some nice cars in here.
All right, go ahead and get your next person right. JP!
So these are some of the finished crazy concoctions these guys have come up with for the model car contest. Yeah, there's some imagination going on here. Well, look, this guy here's like just a laser cannon station or something. Look at this guy. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's my little buddies. Look at this guy. There we go. To be continued.